Hey everyone, this is Tom with the Green Dot Group. Have another video for you in regards to design thinking. Today we're going to talk about forming a design team. So like any project, when you're thinking about the key stakeholders, the individuals you want to be on the team, you really want to put a lot of time and energy into considering who is the right fit for the project ahead. In regards to design thinking, you want to select a team about 8 to 12 people that are going to be participating in the design project, whether that is a design sprint, so the whole team's convening and going to be completing the design process over a 5-day aggressive timeline, or whether they're going to be doing a design effort over an extended period of time. You want to keep it as small as possible in order to ensure that everyone on the team has a role and that the project manager over the team knows those roles and gets to know those people and their skill sets and is able to manage that group in an effective way. So in regards to picking a team, you want to keep it small. The smaller the better. Thinking about skill set and personality in looking for individuals to fit on this team, you want to look for a cross-functional team that touch this process and make that mostly the core of your team. I'd say probably 80%. So if you have a 12-person team, you want about 9 of them or 8 of them to be people who participate in the process that is in scope for what the project is. The others could be outside eyes. So individuals maybe who have experience doing motivational interviewing, individuals who have an artistic background and could help do some of the creative work in page layout work or storytelling work. So you want to be thinking about who are those other 3 people that aren't involved in the process that's in scope, but could be good team members because they're going to bring a unique perspective to the project, and they also have skills that will be helpful within the design process. So once you have the team members selected, you want to begin preparing those individuals to participate in a design project, and you want to give them the time they need to begin to understand how this process is different than the other improvement methods that exist. It isn't that they're not going to be able to develop the skills to be an effective designer. It's just out of appreciation for the challenge that might present. Again, we had talked in design that it uses a lot of the emotional thinking center, your heart center, and your gut center to connect to the customers and establish empathy for their experiences and be able to walk in their shoes and then be able to design for that perspective. And being able to get yourself in that frame of mind as a team member on the project may take a little bit of time. So you want to give and afford your team the time they need to feel comfortable participating in those activities. So be thinking about what are some of the icebreakers and some of those mini challenges or exercises that you can give to the team before they're asked to actually start applying these tools. Let them practice them safely. Once they start to become familiar with what the design process is and they're really ready to start hitting the ground running with the project, there's probably no more important activity than hosting the team kickoff and really in that event focusing in on improving their understanding of what success looks like for the project, but also giving them, again, another opportunity to familiarize themselves with the design process, to have an opportunity to practice some of those tools safely. Again, maybe using icebreakers or mini exercises to kind of help them, shake the cobwebs off per se. Also, the kickoff is an opportunity for the team to establish ground rules and agree around the concepts or the principles that they'll use in governing how they work. And the other critical activity of a kickoff is really team building. Allowing them the opportunity to get to know each other and strengthen their relationships is another important part of the team kickoff that, if you can spend time doing an effective kickoff, that time's going to be well spent and you're going to have big returns later down the road as this team grows together and works together to solve this problem.